Hello, my name is Eric Wallin for Lexmark International. I'm the Global Product Marketing Manager for Lexmark's newest series of A3 color printers. I'm really excited to show you this totally new family of A3 color lasers, which have been completely redesigned and are very different from our prior series. These new models range in speed from 35 pages per minute all the way to our fastest ever A3 color printer at 55 pages per minute. This is the 55 page per minute model that comes standard with double 500 sheet trays. Now we've also added a 2 by 500 sheet tray option below with casters, and that creates a floor standing model with 4 trays total. We also have a 2,500 sheet high capacity tray or a caster cabinet that can be purchased separately to create floor standing printers. The 3,000 sheet high capacity tray, a booklet finisher, and an inline stapler option pictured here can also be purchased separately. All of the input and finishing options are compatible with all MFP models as well as all of the printer models. We do have a wide variety of models and many options which can be combined in a lot of different ways. So please refer to your brochures and see all the model numbers and their possible configurations. The paper path in our new A3 printers forms a reverse C. It picks from the tray and comes up the right side of the device. By opening the right door, you can see that the paper path is very accessible. Just opening one door allows you to clear any jam very easily. We also have new high-resolution videos to show which doors are open and where to clear a jam. Very helpful, high resolution with actual real people in the videos. Now, let me show you our new fuser. We do have new fuser technology which uses induction heat. This is easily accessed from the right side of the door as well. These fusers yield up to 720,000 pages, so you'll probably never need to change the fuser. Also, this new induction heat technology uses very little electricity while you're printing. This allows us to have very low typical energy consumption values. Speaking of energy savings, these devices are eco-friendly and support recycled paper. Additionally, they're Energy Star, Blue Angel, and E-Peat Gold certified. Now, let's talk about paper options and paper handling. This series has the highest ever paper capacity at 6,650 sheets. Additionally, the standard 500 sheet trays can feed all three 11 by 17, 12 by 18, and SRA3 media. This media is commonly used by the publishing industry. Now, the paper feed capacities and the paper feed reliability is really exceptional, so I'm going to show you an example of that. I'm going to take a sheet and I'm going to tear it on all 4 sides. So you can see this sheet is ripped up really good. Now be sure you can't try this with a non-Lexmark printer. These Lexmark A3s are unique in their paper feed capacities and capabilities. And so I'm going to launch a print job here, and it is going to pick that ripped sheet, it's going to print it, and it's going to put it right in the output bin. You see, that is the very ripped sheet that I just stuck in that tray. No tricks, no sleeve, no cards up the sleeve, it's the real deal. These printers also feature advanced paper level indicators. Blinking orange means your tray is low. Solid orange means your tray is out. This way you don't have to open the paper tray to see how much paper is there. You know for sure by looking at the printer. New for Lexmark A3 technology, we have an inline staple finisher installed here. This is a multi-position stapler that fits within the footprint of the printer. Keeps everything small and compact and adds staple capability. This stapler doubles the output capacity to 500 sheets. It can staple in 5 positions and it offsets jobs as well. Let me show you. Here's a nice staple job with a staple in the top left corner. Now, let's talk about the toner cartridges and other supplies. These devices use dual component development technology, or DCD. This offers high quality at high speed with low power consumption and low melt, low friction toners. One door accesses all of the toner cartridges, the waste toner, and the photoconductors. Toner capacities have increased over 3 times more than the last generation of Lexmark A3 devices. With Lexmark's highest A3 yields ever, you can reduce interventions, boost uptime and productivity. Plus, they're really easy to change, and we've got these great new sensors for toner low and toner out, which are much more accurate. Waste toner capacity has increased 30% up to 50,000 pages. Comes out of the device very simply like this. We also have really long-lasting photoconductors. Black photoconductors last up to 100,000 pages, and color photoconductors last up to 90,000 pages. With these kind of yields in your color laser printer, you're going to really max out your uptime and ease of use and user satisfaction. These are Lexmark color laser printers, which means they support all of the color control and management tools in Lexmark's Color Care suite of technologies. We have named color replacement, RGB color replacement, black only retract, monochrome only drivers. These are Pantone calibrated, and they have embedded color samples. This ensures your ability to print color that stays true to your brand. Lexmark is the only vendor to provide embedded color matching technology for free. Okay, let's look at Lexmark's next generation user interface. It's really advanced for a printer. It's 4 inches on the diagonal, full color and high resolution, like a smartphone. It's very inviting and easy to use. The touchscreen can be activated with very little pressure and is super responsive. It supports gestures such as flick and swipe to access your menus, making the operation very easy and intuitive. This screen is fully customizable, and features can be enabled or disabled as needed. Also, custom application solutions can be written and added to increase productivity. Accessibility features such as a full 90-degree tilt, embedded voice guidance, a headphone jack with volume control, and optional physical keyboard are available to make these printers easy for everybody to use. You'll find a USB port on the right side of the printer. This supports thumb drives for direct driverless printing of image files. Once inserted, you'll see a print preview image of the file you want to print. This allows customization of your print file for size or type or amount directly at the printer. New technology within Lexmark allows this type of printing with Microsoft Office documents as well. The front USB port also supports Lexmark's proximity reader as well as the Smart Card contact reader for secure print release solutions. Did someone mention security? Full spectrum security means extensive security features are part of this device's DNA. You can easily limit administrative access to only approved support persons. Many of the world's most security conscious organizations have trusted Lexmark as their vendor of choice for many years, and that's for a good reason. There's a lot of capability that comes standard on each and every printer. All of the printers ship with a 1.2 gigahertz quad-core microprocessor, which not only prints complex jobs fast, it future-proofs your investment so you can install solutions that haven't even been invented yet. Each printer is equipped with 2 gigabytes of standard RAM, more than enough for your office PowerPoints. However, if you need some more memory, we have an additional 2 gigabyte option you can install. These devices are compatible with all of Lexmark's internal solution port cards, such as 802.11 wireless, fiber optic, and for your legacy needs, we've even got parallel. Speaking of wireless, these advanced printers have the most current mobile support for AirPrint, Mopria, Google Cloud Print, and Windows Mobile Print, which means your users can very easily print directly from their mobile devices. As you can see, there are many enhancements to the hardware, firmware, software, security, managed print services, all of this available with the new generation of Lexmark A3 color laser printers.